South Korea. What do you think of South Korea? Well, South Korea is a country in East Asia. It constitutes the southern part of the Korean peninsula and borders North Korea along the Korean demilitarized zone. In this video, I'm going to show you the top place in Seoul.
Today, we are in South Korean Seoul, and now let's shopping and then let's explore South Korean Seoul.
Also, it's my first time to going to South Korean Seoul, and that's why I go some top place to explore. From my hotel to Ikseon-Dong, only around 30 minutes to go there. Sounds so fast. Anyways, in this video, let's focus on South Korean Seoul, Ikseon-Dong. Finally, eat that Korean style beef.
Guys, do you guess what I eat next? The next station is...
If you want to go there, the best way to get from Seoul to Ikseon-Dong without a car is to 91 subway, which it takes 2 minutes and costs 1,250 won to 1,350 won, around 0.93 to 1.01 US dollars. And someone will ask me, how long does it take to get from Seoul to Ikseon-Dong? The 91 subway from City Hall Station to Jongno Free Gas Station takes 2 minutes including transfers and departs every 20 minutes.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, after retraveling the train, and now we are going to the destination is Ikseon-Dong, and we are going to Ikseon-Dong to shopping and buy some gifts like that, and let's explore Ikseon-Dong in Seoul. Now you know this South Korean, the news is no need to wearing mask, so we can do not use this mask. And when I'm going to this Seoul, and is so many people is no wearing mask, and next to me is a little river. Before watching my video, guys, if you want to have my both free stickers, then don't forget to go to the Gmail apps and write down my gmail.com right down here below, and don't forget to write down your private address for me, and you will have both different stickers for you. And now let's head back to the review. So quiet, and the trees smell so good. Wow.
So fast, we are now in Seoul, Ikseon-Dong. Ikseon-Dong is a key area in the four main gates, surrounded by Jongno-gu and Anyang Place, which have been used as the royal places of Joseon for 261 years.
all, and welcome to Ikseon-Dong Seoul. And oh my goodness, and now let me find some snacks to eat.
I walked there for almost an hour, and now I found my favorite dessert cafe. After going to the dessert cafe, and now sit back, relax, and enjoy a cup of Korean-style local tea. Cheers, friends! The tea was so great, and now I can talk more about Ikseon-Dong. I ordered it a mango pancake, around $17 US. Alright, and let me try it. The mango pancake looks so soft. Wow, looks like I'm sitting on a sofa. Funny. As you can see, the mango pancake looks so delicious, right? But little bit sour. Yeah, I promise, but it's okay. Finally, is my favorite protagonist appears is mango mochi. Overall, I love this style of cafe and it brings back so many memories for me. How about you? Let me know in the comment section down below. What do you think of about today's dessert cafe? I highly recommend this restaurant.
Alright guys, after I eat my delicious mango pudding, and now let's walk around this Ikseon-Dong and buy some gifts. Guys, do you guess what I eat next? The next station is Ikseon-Dong Farm. Is a beef pork like that. Well, let's hit it and let's eat their delicious beef. Alright guys, the waiters say me to go outside to wait. Well, wait more than 5 minutes, but it's okay because not spend much time. I hope that the service is good like that. And behind me is a very beautiful traffic. Well, alright guys, welcome to this Ikseon Farm. And right here, this restaurant is beef pork. And I think maybe it's super delicious, not bad. I think it's good. And the good things is, you know, I go outside to wait, I think maybe about 10 to 15 minutes, and the waiter is super nice. He gave me a bottle of water. And very nice service. And now let me order some beef and then enjoy tonight's dinner.
this beef restaurant is eat Korean cool style beef. For example, like Boston beef, pork shoulder beef, and more. Not too expensive to eat this beef restaurant. So I also recommend this restaurant for you.
Korean is so nice. They have so many sauce to give us. And here is the blue fire and very hot. Don't touch it. If you touch it, you will go to a hospital. And of course there is some kimchi. It's Korean local food. And that's why I want to explore Korean, because they have so many snacks, kimchi like that, to give us for before to eat our dinner. Oh my goodness, the sound is so great. Alright, let me try to eat now. Oh my goodness, it's brown and the trim is red. So many blue. But it's okay. Let me try it. I think this is a spicy shot with some set or like sea set. I don't think so. Well, anyways, let me try it. Super soft. And it is great, not too bad. For me, I will give this 100 marks. I will give 80 marks.
When I eating beef, a lot of beef juice spurts out on my face, and my face have so many Korean style juice. Just joking. And that's why I super like to go this restaurant. Delicious and so sweet, and wow, the sauce, very good. Let me eat some their Korean kimchi. The kimchi also is my best appetizer to eat it. And that's why I super like to eat beef in Korea, not Hong Kong, because Korea local beef is more juicy than in Hong Kong to eat beef. But this is my opinion, so I don't know what you think of this Korea beef. Let me try it. Wow, so spicy, so fresh. Love it. Alright guys, here is pork belly, and now let me try it. Oh my god, so many smoke. My GoPro, help me. Pork belly, let me eat you now. Also so delicious, and when I eat this pork belly, my mind is thinking I'm in South Korea, so pork belly style. So let me eat this beef first, and then finally let's talk about today's dinner. Wow. See you guys later.
2 hours later.
Well, alright guys, after we eat my delicious beef dinner, and we have 8 minutes prepare for ready for dog, and it is 8 p.m. But now the food was great and very delicious, and of course I ate this beef I will give 100 marks but I don't give 100 marks because 100 marks is full mark. I will give 85 marks. And the beef is super sweet. I love it. And now let's walk around this Ikseon-Dong street and then to talk about the ending. Also, I forget to talk with you. The happily thing is the waiter is so great because she helped us to cook the beef and pork belly, and so far we ate almost 1 hour. But no problem. Also, we go to eat this beef is private room. The waiter give us to go to the private room, and so quiet, not too many people, only 2 tables. And I can simple and very great to take this video for you guys. And now let's see this beautiful night view.
The video is not over, so don't leave because we have one last attraction. Last attraction is the photo shop. Since I've never tried taking pictures in other countries, so I will give it a try today.
Here you can take some funny photos, so let me try it.
This store has different equipment for you to take some pictures, which is my favorite part. Guys, what do you think of my hard glasses? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you want to take photos in this photograph store, here are 2 ways to help you to take photos. First, 10 photos cost 1,000 won, about $7 US. The second one is 5,000 won ticket request 1,000 won tickets, about $4 US. Not expensive, right? Then you can enjoy your beautiful necessary photos.
Oh my goodness, looks like I'm taking some student photo, haha. Oh my god, the photo is printing now. Alright, let me take it out. Oh my god.
Congratulations!
I have 2 photos, and one photos have 6 different style photos, and of course I love it. Alright, let me collect it.
Overall, being in Ikseon-Dong Seoul for 24 hours was pretty hectic, but I also enjoyed it, explore different sports. Hope to have more next time. And with that, thank you guys for your watching, and thank you guys for your support. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bells on, then you will not miss my next week's special videos. Also, Happy New Year to everyone. 새해 복 많이 받으세요. I try my best already, and until then, safe travels.